Hello everybody, this is Seismic Sales. We're going to do an unpacking of an eBay live purchase I made from Pinehurst coins. Pinehurst coins has an eBay live and I was looking at it and I said, okay, I'll try it out. And I saw this really cool item. eBay live can be addicting. I believe this was my first eBay live purchase I made. It was with Pinehurst because I do buy from them regularly. We'll take a look. But first, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out to grow the channel. Let's see. Let me check a look. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Silver bullet bullion. It's a 5-ounce shotgun shell. Let me take it out of the plastic. It looks bigger in the pictures. Silver bullet bullion, 5-ounce shotgun shell. 1999 fine silver. It is a 5-ounce shotgun shell. 5 troy ounce on the side. It says 1 5-ounce shotgun shell, 999 fine silver. There you go, there you go. Other side, the bottom, push through. Remember those push pops, those ice cream push pops? Okay. Pretty good, pretty good. I'm gonna zoom out. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Come on, man. Dude. So it was a little difficult pulling the two pieces apart because of a vacuum. Give it a while and it'll break free. Whoa, check it out. So this is foam. This is easy puncture proof foam. It does feel heavy. Take a look at that. 999. I really don't know what AG means. I've seen it a lot on these silver channels or on the silver websites. I don't know what AG is, so I guess that's Silvertown because I remember that symbol, 5-ounce. Take a look at that. Nice and shiny. Ooh, it even got the marks on it. There you have it. A quick video of Silvertown's 5-ounce shotgun shell. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Nice and shiny. Smooth. Let me put it on my face. Yeah, smooth. Pretty cool. I want to take it to work, but people will freak out. Zoom in on that. There's a little edge there. You guys have a shotgun? Try to make it fit. Let me know if you guys ever put this in your shotguns. I should try it. I gotta buy a shotgun first. Thank you, Myrmidons, my brothers of the coin, my brothers of the silver and gold. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I've been moving. I haven't been able to make any videos. I will be making more next coming days. Thank you very much. This was a review of the Silvertown Silver Bullet Bullion Shotgun Shell. Take care. See ya. Bye.